What's up, you guys? It is Margot. I am here filming my room tour for my apartment, which I'm so excited about. I'm absolutely in love with my space, and I feel like the way that it looks right now is the way that it's going to stay for a while. If you want to know more about the moving in process, I really moved in pretty recently. You can watch my hotel move-in day and my apartment move-in day vlogs just to like know the situation. So I know it seems pretty late in the year to have just finished my room, but I'm probably gonna live here next year as well. So this is my home for 2 years, although I am going abroad next semester. That being said, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Society 6. I was really trying to work with them for this video. I've worked with them before and I absolutely adore Society 6. It's so cool. It's basically a website where a bunch of artists are able to put their art onto the platform and you can choose what you want the art in. So actually all of this stuff is from Society 6. This was in my dorm last year. So you guys know I'm a real one, Society 6. I love them. But they do posters and wall art and tapestries and duvet covers and rugs, and you'll see a bunch of stuff that I have from Society 6. What I really like about Society 6 is that there's so many options that you will definitely find something for your space. I also really like to support Society 6 because it supports artists, so you're not only buying high quality art, but it's actually benefiting the artists, and artists are making money from each sale. Yeah, I just love Society 6 and what it stands for, so I'm super excited to show you my room and all the pieces from there. This video is sponsored by Society 6, but I will tell you guys where I got everything. Obviously there's stuff not from Society 6 in here as well, so I just love my space and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So let's get into it. Hi! I wasn't expecting you. Hi! Welcome. So here's my room. I will start with like the room and then go to the bathroom. Okay, so here's my closet, which you would never know. This is actually a shower curtain from Society 6. Well, first of all, I'm supposed to have another light bulb in this, but I don't have a ladder and I don't know what light bulb goes in it, so. Here's my closet. So basically I keep all my jackets and dresses over here. This is so helpful, I never had one until this year. Hats, bags, sweatpants, Syracuse, and track suits. And then the shoes that I care more about, I'll keep out. And then the ones that I don't really care too much about if they get dirty, I'll just throw them in this bin. And then all my color coordinated sweaters, shorts, going out tops, which are just impossible to fold, so I just put them in here. Jeans, whatever. You have eyeballs. Moving on to over here, this is my like getting ready area. So I have, this is from Society 6. I love this print. It looks very editorial Vogue to me. I'll link everything that I got below. Also Society 6, which matches my rug. This tray is also Society 6. This is where I keep all my jewelry. I got this at Michael's or something random. Polaroid that's out of batteries, and then I just keep my t-shirts and leggings and everything in here, and then sunglasses right here. So these are my like accessories and go-to clothes. Laundry, and then just an easy place to put bags and a backpack. Right here is my favorite print that I've ever owned. I just think it's such good summer fresh vibes. If you've ever been to Bar Taco, this really gives me Bar Taco vibes. But I love this frame print from Society 6. Honestly, if you're gonna get a print and you want to frame it, I would just buy it framed. It's a lot easier. Here's my bed. I love it. None of my friends say it's comfortable, but I think it's comfortable. Still debating if I'm gonna get a mattress pad. Honestly, these aren't my pillows. They're just here for this video. But this is a life hack. If you guys don't have just a bin next to your bed, I literally just have all my like bedtime essentials in there, which is really nice. And then I have more prints over here. This one's from Society 6, and this was a gift from Julianne for my birthday. This is my favorite smell of all time. It is balsam. Yum. Honestly, Yankee Candle, not the best, not gonna lie, but I will take any balsam that I can get. So, oh, also just bought myself a UV Boom. Good purchase. let's go over here. This is my little hub. I do work sometimes here, but I also get ready here. I love this mirror. It's from Simple Human. It's the best. This tapestry is from Society 6. I love it. These are all my school desk supplies. I just got these from IKEA. Yeah, honestly can't fit anything in here, so that's there. Here's all my electronics that I don't know how to set up by myself, and I'm waiting for my Prince Charming to do it for me. These, I kind of want to just like cover this wall in cool black and white prints, but this is what I have now. I like it. Whatever, let's go to the bathroom. So something that's really nice about this apartment is we all have our own bathrooms, which is very underrated. I feel like it's so nice to just have your own bathroom and your own space. So I love this. This is from Society 6. I need to cut the tags off. I have my favorite perfume. Oh, sorry. I have my favorite perfume over here. This is Yves Saint Laurent Paris. Yum. Mon Paris. This is Glossier You. This is my like everyday. Nice smell. Daisy lip gloss. I love Purity. I worked with them and I love them. This is my second bottle. Here's my shower.
You can fit a good amount of people in there.
Yeah, you can fit a lot of people in here. Right.
Awesome.
Okay. That's enough. We have our towels. They sent me another metal print. I'm pretty sure this metal print. Actually really cool and good for bathrooms because it won't peel. Everyone gets mad at me because I don't have pictures in my room, but I just feel like pictures don't look good in rooms. I don't know. But I have my Polaroid. These are just things not at Syracuse. Family, friends from home, cousins, summer activities, my wolf gang. Oh wait, did you show the rug?
Yeah.
It is my favorite part of my room. I love it. Oh, also on Society 6, it comes with these little rug sticky stickers, which is really nice. Didn't know that it would come with that. I hope you guys loved this video. If you liked it,
comment and link below. Wait. Comment, like, and subscribe to Margot Lee on all social media.
Great. You can find all my social media links below. You can check out all the things that I got from Society 6 this time around. I'll look if they still have the items that I've had for like 2 years. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.